Hello, this is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we're standing aboard the legendary Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This is the most popular boat Boston Whaler sells. Definitely one of the most popular boats we sell here in Rhode Island. The 17 Montauk is extremely versatile, just big enough, but also just small enough to make it manageable. Let's dive into some of the features and options that we have equipped on this in stock. This is a 2026 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. We have it available here in Wakefield, Rhode Island. So of course we have our Mercury 4-stroke 115 engine. This is the max horsepower that you can get on the 17 Montauk. Plenty of power. You can pull a tube, you can pull a skier, you can get out to the fishing hole quick, but it's a great power package for this boat. Also equipped with options on this boat, we have the fore and aft seating package. If you've been exploring Boston Whalers online and playing with the build feature, which is a really great feature on their website, this is one of the more popular options we have. So fore is the bow seating cushions up in the front of the boat, which we'll get to in a minute. Aft is the jump seats in the back. I have it removed on this side for just ease of getting in and out, but there is one port and starboard. So these are removable jump seats that go in the back of the boat. When you pull the backrest out, there are 4 rod holders in the transom of this boat as well. One of the nice things about this boat too, on the 17, is there is a bilge. So any water that might be collecting, if you're leaving the boat on a mooring, if you're leaving the boat on a dock, the rainwater will go into this grate and it will go into the bilge, which is an automatic float switch bilge pump. So this boat will not fill up with water. Won't pull with water at all, which is great. Another nice addition for Boston Whaler is the fuel tank is now built into the deck. This is going to give us larger fuel capacity, but also added storage space. So in the old 17 Montauks, the gas tank was under the seat. It's no longer there. It's built into the deck. And on a 17-foot boat, any storage space you can get is much appreciated. So you have a big storage space underneath the seat, which has a rubber latch. And you notice I flip-flop this backrest. So this is a multi-position seat, double wide forward-facing seat. Flip this, facing back. So if you have a couple guests fishing off the back of the boat, hanging out, you've got multiple seat positions here. Also creates a leaning post. So if you're standing while you're driving the boat, you have a nice leaning post here. This in-stock 17 Montauk is equipped with full electronics. We have the larger 9-inch Simrad screen. This is a multi-function device. It's going to have color charts for navigation. It's also going to give you depth and battery voltage and all kinds of information that you need in a multi-function Simrad. We do have a JL audio, Bluetooth, AM, FM stereo equipped on this boat, as well as the Simrad VHF. We do have a Bimini sunshade. So this is in the resting position. This sunshade does open and gives you lots of great shade for when you're out and you need it and kind of get out of the sun. This boat is also equipped with the fishing package, which is probably the most heavily optioned choice that Boston Whaler offers on this boat. And really the key to that fishing package is this cooler seat arrangement. So without it, this is gone. But with the fishing package, you get this really nice cooler. It has a seat top with backrest and added rod holders. It also adds a little storage tackle box here as well. So you see that there's slide-in tackles in the side of the console here with the fishing package. Then the other part of that fore and aft seating package, which I was talking about, is these cushions up front. So you get the fore and aft seating package with this boat. It adds these cushions. These actually are button in and fold away for easy storage. And then underneath them, we have some lockers. So this is a really nice box. Call it a fish box because it's insulated and plumbs and drains right out. You notice that popped right up. It's on this nice gas assist strut, so it won't slam down on your toes or your fingers, and also holds it up really nicely. So this could be used for storage and or for your catch of the day. Also, in the bow is your ankle locker. Also on a gas assist strut. Nice big anchor locker with a cutout to keep that easily stowed away. And then you also notice this has got diamond non-skid treading on here, so it can be a great standing platform for casting. So again, that's a quick walkthrough on our in-stock Boston Whaler 17 Montauk we have at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Again, my name is David Foss. If you'd like to come see the boat in person, we'd love to show it to you. Look us up online, give us a call. Thanks so much.